guys, good to have you back for another video of surface reset my car. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can get rid of the surface indicator of a Mercedes GLE 2023. Let's start right away. First of all, have the ignition on to the first position, like this. The airbag indicator must go on. Then you'll see this indicator. Then go through the menu by pressing the return button and then scroll to the left to find the trip. Once you are here, have the mileage on. Then we're gonna use these two buttons over here for 5 seconds. Press and hold it for 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. Press this button and you'll see a workshop menu appear that there wasn't before. Press it. Then go to scroll down to Assist Plus, press it, turn the ignition on by pressing the ignition once again, then go to full surface, confirm surface, scroll down all the way down, oil grade, another confirmation by scrolling down, and the last confirmation, and you'll see that the full surface is complete. Do your check by going back to Assist Plus, to the right, go to Surface, Assist Plus, wait for a few seconds, for about half a minute, and you'll see that the new mileage for the surface is the reset. Takes a while. That was it. Thanks for watching and hope to see you next time in another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.